check out this sofa that is actually a Loveseat. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So I want to say that this is such a comfortable couch slash Loveseat to sit on. As you can see, the cushions are so soft, and you don't have to, there's only 4 that you have on top of here. So we have 2 that are on the bottom and 2 that are on the top. And they're just really soft cushions, and it fits about 3 people in the middle here, but you could actually put more people on the sides on these armrests. And that's kind of what I like about this couch slash Loveseat, is that this is pretty wide so that you can still sit, if you have a bunch of people over and you're watching TV, you could sit maybe like 5 people on this couch at the same time. So again, it's such a comfortable couch, and if we sit on it, we could then see just how the ripples are just a nice effect to have as well. And you can just press against the cushions and just see how soft these actually are. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.